Tin pad uyelo, uyelo no rin.
Tin cái cho cái này nhiều cái tin, ubah tu tin.
Nongeitniang, fire, tin respond. Down, go.
Today we gather here to witness the discipline and wonderful march past by the students of all the houses of nongeitniang SSA and RMSA Higher Secondary School. As we gather, we welcome our proud participants as they get ready to showcase their coordination and spirit. Leading the march past is our school captain. As a commander, shall listen Malnyang from class 12. Placard bearer Alfina from class 9. And flag bearer we have Khynnah from class 10. As they carry the school flag high with pride, symbolizing honor and responsibility. Here the captain saluting our guest of the day. Following comes the greenhouse, symbolizing growth, harmony and freshness. Placard bearer Rembana